It is said that the vehicle a person drives is a reflection of their personality. And there's no vehicle to better demonstrate this than a Subaru. It's versatile, responsible, and progressive, and built to last. And genuine Subaru accessories are built to personalize the driving experience for any adventure, big or small. But genuine Subaru accessories provide much more than style and personalization. They provide a level of safety and durability that typical aftermarket accessories can't match. They're designed by a team of Subaru accessories engineers and manufactured to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the Subaru vehicle to help ensure quality, reliability, and value for the road ahead. Extensive testing procedures help ensure that all government standards are met, in addition to Subaru engineering specification and performance targets. From environmental and strength testing to vibration and chemical resistance assessment, all Subaru accessories undergo certified lab trials and computer simulations and are also performed in real-world environments. When it comes to accessories, one size does not fit all. Genuine Subaru accessories are precision engineered using original computer-aided design data for each Subaru model. Genuine Subaru accessories are specifically made for the vehicle they're sold for, which means they fit better, perform better, and last longer than aftermarket editions.
Whether accessories that help to add protection and security, audio upgrades, convenience electronics, or lifestyle accessories by Thule, accessory planning and testing can start 3.5 years before a new Subaru model is introduced. Plus, they're designed in conjunction with the vehicle for precise form, fit, and function.
Genuine Subaru electronic accessories are designed according to the vehicle's original specifications and are fully integrated into Subaru vehicle systems. Wiring and body integrated unit software are pre-arranged during the manufacture of the Subaru vehicle to allow for faster installation and seamless integration of electronic accessories.
Plug-and-play, pre-wired connections help ensure higher performance and robust functionality. Every genuine Subaru audio upgrade accessory is acoustically measured and custom-tuned to provide optimum sound quality.
To help ensure seamless operation and uninterrupted functionality, genuine Subaru accessories are directly incorporated into the vehicle's electrical infrastructure. In addition to environmental testing, electrical and electromagnetic testing is performed to address a variety of concerns, such as short circuit prevention, overcurrent safety, and battery current management. Subaru accessory technology is developed and tested with the vehicle's complex, integrated electrical system in mind, eliminating the possibility of electrical interference to vehicle systems.
For a precise fit and improved durability or compatibility, Subaru engineers are in close collaboration with Thule during the design and development of genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories.
We work hand in hand with the Thule Group and perform a series of tests to help ensure all racks and carriers comply with Subaru unique requirements.
Subaru's commitment to safety is what sets the genuine Subaru trailer hitch apart from aftermarket hitches. The genuine Subaru trailer hitch is designed to attach to the vehicle structure in such a way that it becomes an integrated component, not only for towing, but also from a safety perspective.
It is developed in conjunction with the vehicle and undergoes rigorous testing, as its installation method is an important area to consider when purchasing this type of accessory.
Our trailer hitch is validated to provide optimal clearance, the required strength, and superior safety. They are crash tested with the vehicle as a complete system to verify they do not negatively impact any safety features of the vehicle and to help ensure the vehicle's IIHS rating is maintained. Genuine Subaru protection accessories, including all-weather floor liners, are precision engineered using vehicle CAD data for every trim level of every Subaru model. Unlike typical aftermarket floor liners, genuine Subaru all-weather floor liners are extensively evaluated and undergo a series of functional tests to help ensure a precise fit and to keep genuine Subaru accessories on the leading edge of safety. Genuine Subaru accessories are covered by Subaru's 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Accessories installed after the 336 vehicle warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule carry a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. genuine Subaru accessories can be included in monthly payments for added convenience. When a trusted Subaru certified technician installs a genuine Subaru accessory, it is installed with the same care and precision that goes into the manufacturing of the Subaru vehicle. Subaru technicians receive comprehensive training on every accessory and system in a Subaru vehicle to help ensure a seamless integration every time. Whether looking to preserve and protect, equip for any adventure, or simply increase personal style, value, safety, and security that lasts begins with genuine Subaru accessories.
The Subaru Impreza is built for the long haul. Enduring, capable, and versatile, it's the ultimate traveling companion that makes every journey a good one. That journey only gets better when you customize your vehicle with genuine Subaru accessories to match your lifestyle. Genuine Subaru accessories are engineered to the same rigorous standards as the rest of the vehicle. That's why every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty or an original purchaser's limited lifetime warranty for our lifestyle accessories made by Thule. Take a short journey with us now as we explore some of the most popular accessories that are available for the Subaru Impreza. Start by outfitting the Impreza with a set of 4 genuine Subaru splash guards. These durable guards do a great job protecting the vehicle's paint finish from stones and road grime. You can also protect the Impreza from parking lot mishaps with attractive body side moldings. Color matched to coordinate with the styling of the vehicle, genuine Subaru body side moldings help to protect doors from unsightly dings. Do even more to preserve the appearance of the Impreza with custom-fit, color-matched stainless steel door edge guards. They are designed to help protect the door edges from dings and chips while seamlessly blending into the door design. Want to roll down the windows while you're rolling down the road? Let fresh air in while helping keep the weather out with genuine Subaru side window deflectors. May not be legal in all states. Please check the laws of your state. Keep the interior of the Impreza looking like new with a genuine Subaru cargo tray. The tray helps protect the trunk area from sand, water, stains, dirt, and other messes while providing a surface that helps reduce the shifting of cargo while driving. This popular accessory can be easily removed from the vehicle and rinsed clean. A great feature for life on the go. This helpful accessory is perfect for use in conjunction with the cargo tray. The rear seat back protector provides additional protection to the rear seat backs when lowering the seats to transport larger cargo. You can also help keep your cargo where it belongs with the convenience of trunk cargo hooks, designed to help hold shopping bags upright. The hook folds out of the way when not in use. Each kit includes 1 hook. Whether you're taking trips to the beach or walks in the woods, the newly designed, high-wall construction, all-weather floor liners help keep life's messes contained. Custom made for a perfect fit. These liners come in a set of 4 and are not for use on top of carpeted floor mats. Protect eyes from unwanted glare and enjoy the convenience of programming home functions. This very popular upgraded mirror integrates 3 backlit HomeLink buttons that can be programmed to operate most garage doors, security gates, home lighting, and more. It can also let you know if a garage door has been left open or closed, if programmed to a compatible opener featuring 2-way communication. And it features an 8-point digital compass. Enhance the auto-dimming mirror experience by adding the exterior auto-dimming mirrors with approach light. When the doors are opened or unlocked with the keyless entry system, LED lights in each exterior mirror help to light the way. Light is cast down from LED lights located behind the Subaru logo and illuminates the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. During nighttime driving, the exterior auto-dimming mirrors will reduce headlight glare by dimming in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror, creating a safer driving experience. Enhance the audio system to a new level of sound quality so you not only hear the music, but you also feel it. The Rockford Fosgate audio upgrade was developed to specifically match the acoustics of the Impreza. This audio accessory consists of an amplifier, upgraded speakers, and an integrated digital signal processor tuned to align the system to the driver's listening preferences. With a remote engine starter, you never have to get into a car that's freezing cold or blazing hot again. This convenient accessory allows the vehicle to be started from up to 400 feet away simply by pushing a button. That way, the climate control system has time to make the interior temperature more comfortable upon entry. The push start works in conjunction with the keyless access and start system, and is an alternative for customers who do not wish to enroll in the Starlink Safety Plus and Security Plus package. Add a crossbar set to increase the cargo carrying capabilities of the Impreza. There are a total of 3 available depending on which Impreza you have or your preference on style and function. May be used with genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers. Want to hit the trails or the road on 2 wheels instead of 4? Outfit the Impreza with a genuine Subaru accessory bike carrier by Thule. They're easy to install and switch between multiple compatible vehicles. The Thule fork-mounted bike carrier features a sliding rear wheel cradle that moves forward and backwards to securely fit most bikes with up to 2.6-inch wide tires. The low-profile and lightweight aluminum tray is corrosion-resistant to help withstand the elements. Pair the wheel holder accessory with this carrier. This allows the bike tire to be mounted on the roof of the vehicle as well. The genuine Subaru accessory roof-mounted bike carrier by Thule fits most 20-inch to 29-inch wheel bikes with tires up to 2.6 inches wide. It features self-adjusting jaws that automatically wrap around the down tube for precise frame hold. Ratcheting straps secure the front and rear wheels. Perhaps hitting the slopes is the adventure of choice. If that's the case, the genuine Subaru accessory ski and snowboard carrier by Thule is just what is needed. It holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards securely with ultra-soft rubber arms that grip without scratching surfaces. Get the extra height you need to easily access all of your rooftop lifestyle accessories with the new Thule Portable Step. Constructed of heavy-duty steel for sturdiness, the portable step is equipped with rubber bumpers to help prevent wheel scrapes and scuffs. When not in use, the step conveniently folds into a carrying bag for easy storage. Thank you for taking the time to explore just some of the many genuine Subaru accessories available to enhance the Impreza. From products that increase comfort and convenience to rugged accessories designed to haul gear wherever you want to go, Subaru genuine accessories are designed with the journey in mind. Make the most of every adventure and keep your Subaru 100% Subaru with genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 336 warranty period are backed by 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.